Hello YouTube, I'm out with one of my old mates again today, Joe McGrath. He used to live down my road. We're going up London. It was bonfire night last night and it was not too bad, but it was a bit quiet around here because no one normally buys fireworks around my area. Yeah, so we got Blackie fireworks tonight. Not sure if I'm going to go yet, probably will. And that's the overall plan today. So I'm just walking up to Grove Park to meet Joe. He's come on a train from Whitstable where he lives, and then we're going to go uptown, have a look around and stuff like that. Urban areas are the worst places to make vlogs because there's always people about and they give you the weirdest looks when you get a camera out and start talking to it. So Joe's on the bus, he's on his way. Staples is up there, so I'm going to go in Tesco, get some food because I'm already hungry and I had breakfast 10 minutes ago. Fridges are buy one get one free, so I will have two. Right, we've come up to Hamleys and completely unaware the whole street's closed again for these like street festival things. So we are here and we're going to go Trocadero later. We're in Hamleys. Someone just sprayed us with bubbles. And we are such big kids. Tower Bridge, Tower of London, KFC. Okay, so I've just got off the bus. Joe stayed on to meet someone else that he came down to see. He's going up to the fireworks with the other person later, and I'm on my way home now to meet my mum and brothers, and then we're probably going up to the fireworks later on as well. So today was pretty cool. We went to quite a few places, definitely used up my money's worth on my travel card, and yeah, so now it's home to meet my mum and Ellis, and maybe Joe if he's round as well, and then we're going to the fireworks if all goes to plan. So we're just starting to walk to the fireworks, and I'll probably film some of it for you as well. Yeah! They're on the ground fireworks at the moment. Here we go. So back from the fireworks now. It was quite cold, but the fireworks were really good, as you probably just saw. And that's pretty much it for today. It's 10 o'clock now, so I'm probably going to have a snack and then maybe watch a DVD and then go to bed. So I'm going to sign off now and see you next time.